Alright, so for lesson 5, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to cut out this hole so we actually can see that. And then we're going to move on to a couple other items such as changing this into an STX file and getting ready to print. So what we need to do is, again, we're going to go and highlight everything. And then we need to group it all. So I just go here to group. And now you can see, hey, there's my hole. I like that view better. So now we can go and see that, and again, I'm just holding my, I'm pointing to this square up here and I'm holding my mouse button down and just moving my mouse a little bit. You can see where it cuts right through. And it's just easier to work with because then you can see what actually should be printing. So from this point here, what we'll do is we're going to go and choose export, and we are going to choose export the entire design, and it will come down here to my little item down here in the bottom. And what I want you guys to do is, if you look at where I did it again, I'm going to go to export and show you guys again. You want to make sure that you have it where you can choose the STL file. That's so important. Now we need to get that STL file into an email. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, let me get to my email. I'm going to choose compose. You're going to go and let me open up that other one. And I just need to make this a little bit smaller so I can show you. So we have it right here where it came down to our section. I like to just take it and drop it onto my desktop. For those that are on a Chromebook, you guys will have to go and save it, okay, or share it. So now that we have it shared, and even if you did it the other way on a Chromebook, what will happen is that's going to go into your shared files. You can see mine is right here. And what we'll end up doing is we're going to go to our email section, and you're going to go and email that to me, and you're going to place your name on there. Okay, so for mine, I'm just going to put down my first name, project. Also, please put your last name, just in case we have multiple students in here with the same first name. Then all you need to do is click drag and drop, and the file is going to go here, and we will then send it. What I will do is in the back, I will be receiving those, and I'm going to place them into a folder. And the folder will be designated as your hour. So all you will have to do is go and look in the hour folder. And let me just name this folder so you can see what it might look like. I'll put down third hour. I'll use third hour as an example. What you'll do is just click and grab that item and drop it into your hour, and you can see that it's here right there. And then you may have seen this MakerBot item here pop open, and I don't know if you can see it right now from this angle or not, but let me drop it down to where you might be able to see it. what we'll do is we'll go to the start menu inside that room in there, and I will probably already have it open before class starts. And what we'll do in here is we're going to go and choose prepare. And I have two printers back there, so we have to designate the correct printer. And all you'll have to do is you'll take your image and you should be able to just drop it right there like I did. And now once you're in here, you can click on this eye just like we did before, and now you can see there's your nameplate. And what we'll do is click on here. Oops. And it's not showing me here, but you'll be able to click on this item here and center it and place it in the middle. More than likely what I'll do is as I get them in the back, I'll be placing several of them onto the plate so we're able to print several of these at one time. So here is the lesson on how to create a keychain. What I'm going to show you in the next video is how to create one that does not have the name raised, and it actually prints faster. So you'll be able to do two cool things in here today. One, you'll print one with your name on it, and then the second one you can print one with whatever you would like on it. So go ahead and go to movie number 6.